Welcome to the family, honey. You are welcome to this channel officially. So, I am Rofua Mudavezi and I am here to make sure that you are looking absolutely gorgeous, period. So, because I don't like wasting time because I know time is money. Yeah. So, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl posts, okay? Well, my beauties, the first thing that I do, I make sure that I apply sunscreen to my face. Yeah, I'm using the sunscreen lotion SPF 30 on my face because I'm going to go outside. So I make sure that I apply it evenly. Moisturize your face so that it doesn't crack up. Skincare, it is the most important step when you're doing makeup. You can use a primer, you can moisturize with anything that is friendly to your skin. So here I'm just making sure that I'm applying it all over my face. I am distributing it. What I like to do, I make sure that I don't rub it all in. I make sure that that whiteness is still there. That's what I prefer. I know some of you are probably saying, oh, she already did her brows. Oh yes, I did my brows off camera, but if you want me to do them on camera, I'm more than happy to do that. So you can just say that in the comment section and I'm your girl, I'm gonna do it. The next step that we're going to be indulging on is the eyelids. So with the eyelids, the first thing is to prime. You prep them so that the colors are gonna sit on a base. So you put a base on it. So here I put a little bit. I was like, oh, let me just make sure the left side is equal to the right side. And the next step, take your brush and blend. Blend. And I'll always say this and I don't mind repeating it over and over again. What you do on the left hand side, you make sure that you do it on the other side, honey. Make sure that everything is looking the same way as the other one. This is quite an easy step, so if you don't know how to, just watch and learn. This is basically it, my beauties. So you see, it's so easy. So on to the next step. So here we're going to be playing with some colors. So I'm going to be starting with Maude. That's the color. I am going to be making sure that I am putting it on the outside because Maude, it is much darker than the other colors that I'm going to be using. So Maude is the first one. And the next one I am going to be choosing is Robe. So I did a little bit of Robe on my upper crease because I was like, I don't want to cut crease because I am doing SoftGlam. It's not supposed to be too much. So here you're going to see at the end, the colors are not that visible on this camera, but you're going to be seeing it as it progresses. Trust the process, honey. And on the outer side, I decided to use the color Passion. Passion also is darker. There on that side, you have to make sure that you use the dark colors also. Trust me, darker colors outside, I always say, and if you know me, you're going to say it with me. Darker colors on the outside and lighter colors on the inside. That's what I always say. So the next one, I am using the color Love. On the inside, Love is more like pinkish, so I used Love there on the inner. You see, Love, it's lighter, so I am using it, I am brushing it. And remember, I am not cutting crease since I am doing SoftGlam. And on the inner lids, I decided to use a bit of Cream. That's a color from my palette. So I'm using Cream, and on the outside I said that I'm using Slate, which is darker. And if you want a much cleaner, perfect look on the outside, you can just use a tape and tape it on your eyes there, so that when you are done, it is going to be straight. So there I am using Cream on both sides, like I always say. So yes, I am using Cream, and then I decided to use a bit of Dreams. There, when you see I'm doing a line, I am using Dream. On to the next eyeliner part. This one is pretty much easy. because it's soft glam, I'm just going to do a straight line again. So just do a straight line. This one is pretty much easy, or you can just treat it as a mistake. Just do one line straight and then you're gonna see it's going to be perfect. No need for you to stress yourself over this step because it is quite easy. And it also helps with the lashes. When you're putting on lashes, it makes sure that your lashes are not gonna be seen where they stopped because it's going to be black. Even the glue, it probably hides the glue as well, so it makes sure that your lashes are popping. So let's move on to the foundation part, what I like to call the plastering part. So apply that foundation on your face. Don't be afraid to apply. So don't be stingy, so apply it. Make sure it is your color as well. So apply it, use a brush, use a sponge, whatever that is going to make sure that you have the full coverage at the end of the day, because that is what we are looking and hoping to achieve in this look. It is soft glam, remember. We are going to be blending a lot. So the other part that I'm doing now is highlighting. I am using a concealer. I'm concealing under my eyes, chin, nose and forehead. So it doesn't need to be one color all over your face. There needs to be a bit of variety. I know it's soft glam, so you need to have a bit of variety. Conceal your face, highlight your face. Make sure that everything it is blended all together. There is no flaking. The consistency is fine. Use a brush, use a sponge, whatever that you find that you are comfortable with and it's not gonna leave any residing marks or any cracks. And remember to change your brush and sponge. Don't use one thing on the rest of your face. Don't get tired of blending. Blend, blend, blend. And I repeat, blend. So that you won't leave any residues, so that your look will be fine. It will be smooth. And it won't be cakey, trust me. Don't get tired by blending. Blend, my baby, blend. When you are done blending the whole face, change your brush, change your sponge, and then blend the concealer, under eyes, nose, forehead, and the chin. Blend them together with a different sponge or a different brush. And grab that banana powder and that sponge and do under eyes, chin, nose if you want, and forehead again, and continue blending. This one, it sets your face. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take that brush and dust off. Not too much though, only soft and lightly. Take that sensitive brush and brush. And when you're done, the next thing that you're gonna do, take the powder that is equivalent to your skin color, and then take a different brush and brush it all over. And we dive into the highlighting and the bronzer step. This one, you take an angled brush and then you take your bronzer and then you brush it on your upper cheeks, those little cute upper cheeks of yours. So you brush it lightly until you are satisfied, probably. So yes, brush it, the bronzer or blusher, whatever that you want, that is not gonna be too much. And then you highlight that nose with a bronzer. You highlight it because we want some contouring, not too much contouring because it's SoftGlam. So we go to the lippy part. I love this part. So here we get to play with a bit of colors. So darker colors on the outside, like always. So I'm using the color black, and the inner one I am using the color nude because I'm doing SoftGlam. I'm not doing too much color. Because I was going outside, I was like, oh, let me just use a matte color instead so that it stays on for a longer period of time. But if I was not going anywhere, I was just gonna use black. Matte, it stays on for longer. And under eyes, I'm just gonna be using a highlighter so that my eyes can be shimmering a bit. You can use a color palette, you can use an eyeliner, it's up to you. So use a setting spray when you're done to make sure that your makeup stays for longer. So I would like to say, if you reach this point with me, I am very, very much thankful. So I am just doing a 180 turn to show you the final look. Stick with me and we're gonna achieve this look. If there's any look that you want me to do, just suggest it in the comment section and we are good to go. I just want you not to forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time I post. So this is the look that we did, SoftGlam. So yeah, I'm super excited that we did this, and thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.